Hello viewer, in this video we will talking about an reinstatement instant method. Instant method means you will get result instantly after submit an appeal. Actually this video is especially for my friend which is not understand Urdu. So also my English is weak, but I will try to understand with English to prepare this course. Okay, so first you will need an suspended business, and second you need proper document original which will work for all country, but we will change all the detail according to the business. Okay, so we will get result instantly in this video within few seconds, so watch till the end. First click to learn more. Here we will submit an appeal. Okay, and then click submit appeal. Here we will check then we are eligible for appeal or not. Otherwise we will use another trick for the submit next appeal, which we says additional request. Okay, then click. Okay, here you can check we are not eligible for appeal because our appeal is also not approved. Okay, and this rejection date was this. So here we will use an additional request option. Okay, which is additional request I will show you here. Okay viewers, so here is the additional request link, and here is the both two main documents, but there is a not secret trick with the additional link or document, but there is many secrets to verify instantly approval. So if someone want to buy course or want to buy service, so you can contact with the pin comment link, or here you can get upfront screen to the WhatsApp number you can contact. Okay, so how to verify instantly? I will verify it live. Okay, not any option will be skippable. So here you can check did you submit an appeal using link. So we already submit appeal because here is the rejected date. Okay, and here appeal was denied, so we'll confirm yes, and this date will you copy and submit here, and here you need to post an ID, and this is my ID. Okay, it's automatically selected, and then here you need to attach some proof. So what is your proof? Here is the document. Actually here is totally 5 trick. One trick with your VPN, second trick with your Gmail, third trick with your additional link, fourth trick with your document, and 5 main trick is secret. I will not tell in the video. If someone want to buy, then contact me WhatsApp. Okay, and then choose the file. Here you need to attach document. Okay, so actually there is many courses are available. I have claim method course, and some courses other full address verification, instant verification, and also reinstatement and review verification course are available. Anyway, we need to connect your PDF file. Okay, there is the first document, and here is the second document. Here is second document. Okay, so there is totally 2 documents, no need any other document. Leave these 3 spaces. Okay, and here you need to write 5 main secret things, like I will write and show you. Okay viewer, so here is the description. This is few line, but most important. Here you need to discuss only 3 things. One, that your business is suspended for Google policy. Second, you want to recover back. Third, you have all legal documents which are attached in appeal. Okay, so you said Google, please check it and recover my business again. Okay, so check here the date, because when I will submit, it's automatically will be live within second or within few minutes. Okay, so I want to show you the date in live. Okay, here you can check the time and date 7/37, and here is the date. Okay, so you need to submit it. Okay, this is the additional request. Okay, so here our appeal is submit, so we need to wait few minutes. After few minutes or a few seconds our business will be live automatically. You can check the date. I will show after verification date again. Okay, viewer, so you can check here our business is verified within only 1 minute. You can check the date again. I will reload it. 2 minutes. Okay, there is only 2 minutes, and within 2 minutes our business is verified. You can check here, see profile. Okay, and you can check the business name, you can check the category and phone number, and this address will be on service area, which is North America, I mean United States. Okay, so I have also claim method. I will add here a simple video which is claim listing I verify on India. Anyway, if someone want to get the course or want to get the service, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number which is given on the upfront of screen or pin comment. So this was the our today topic. If you want to get more tricks and tips about GMB verification, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. So hopefully you are doing well, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks.